Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about an Ihome alarm clock that is not showing the time. I'll be going over an easy fix to show you how to fix it, or a couple of easy fixes. So let's say your Ihome alarm clock is not displaying any time. There are a couple of easy things that you can do to hopefully remedy the problem. Now, full disclosure, this alarm clock is not plugged in, which is that's the reason why it's not showing the time. But if your alarm clock is plugged in and it's not showing the time, then there's likely an issue. Okay, the first thing that you can do is press the dimmer button. Now, there's probably going to be a button on your alarm clock that says dim, okay, or dimmer, and basically that allows you to dim the time, and it also allows you to turn off the display completely. On this alarm clock, there's no dim button, but if you press the snooze button over here, the snooze bar, it will dim it down, okay? So you want to press it a couple of times, because maybe it's been dimmed so much that it's off, okay? So you want to press it a couple times to turn the display back on. That's the first thing. The second thing is you want to look on the back of your alarm clock, and you want to press the button that says time set. So press the button or press and hold it down, kind of experiment with it and see if that displays the time. Maybe you've restarted the alarm clock and you haven't set the time, and that's why nothing's being displayed. It depends on your alarm clock model. Some of them, I believe, won't display the time until you set it, okay? So press that button, that time set button, and then press and hold it down as well. Just see if that works. And the third thing that you want to try out is just unplug the alarm clock and plug it back in. Sometimes, you know, at the end of the day, all modern devices are essentially like little computers. Even like fridges and stuff like that have like motherboards in them. So maybe it's just like a technical glitch, and by unplugging it for 30 seconds, removing the backup batteries as well. So there's backup batteries in here. You want to remove these backup batteries as well when it's unplugged for 30 seconds. Then you can put the batteries back in place, and you can also plug it back in. You're going to basically reset the device, and hopefully that will help you get that time to display properly again. That's it. If your Ihome alarm clock time is not displaying and the display is not working properly, then you can try these things and hopefully they work for you. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.